Hello, hi, my name is Mzeda Rotondo and I'm back again with another tutorial that you will love and learn. Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Now, today I will be teaching our foundation class 3-letter words. And in this today's 3-letter words, we are going to be using consonant, vowel, consonant. So it's going to be 2 consonant and 1 vowel. 2 consonant and 1 vowel in all the words. Now we are going to start with the word number 1, C-A-T. C, K. The sound for C is K. A. The sound for T, it's T. Then when you read it, it will say cat. Cat. Now, the second word, it's T-A-P. T, the sound is T. A. P, the sound is P. Then when you read it, it will say what? Tap. Tap. Now let's come to the word number 3. B-E-D. It will say what? Guess it first. B-E-D. Okay? B, the sound will be B, B, B. E. D, the sound will be D, D, D. Then it will say what? Bed. Bed. Now we come into the letter B-A-G. 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 B, B, B. A, G, G, G. Bag. Bag. Now let's go to another word. H-I-T. It will say what? H-I-T. When you read it, it will say what? H-I-T. Ah, I, t, 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 t. Ah, I, t, t, t. And it will say heat. Heat. And then we'll come to this one, C-U-P. K, k, k. U. P, p, p. And then it will say cup. Cup. Now let's go to another word. S-U-N. S-U-N. S, the sound says what? S. U. And the sound says what? Then it will say what? Sun. Sun. Now we come to this word. B-U-S. B-U-S. B, its sound is B. U, S, the sound is like this one. Then it will say what? Bars. Bars. Now, let's come to this one. A-N-T. 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 Ant. 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 Now, let's come to this one. I-C-E. I-E. Ice. Ice. Now, let's jump to this other paper I prepared for you. There we go. L-E-G. 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 Leg. Leg. R-U-N. R-U-N. Run. Run. Now, P-O-T. P-O-T. Pot. Pot. Now, excuse me. P-E-N. P-E-N. P is the sound. E. N, the sound, it says what? When you read it, it will say what? Pen. Very good. Now, let's go to another one that I prepared for you. T-O-P. T-O-P. T, the sound says O. P. Top. Top. Now, let's jump to this one. V-A-N. V-A-N. V is the sound. A. N. Then. Okay? Now, write sit for me. Let me see. Sit for me. Sit, it's which alphabet? Drum roll. Boom. S-I-T. S-I. Sit. Now, write for me hat. Like the one you put on the head. Hat. Drum roll. Boom. Hat. H-A-T. A. Hat. Now write for me end. Something when it has come to an end, not end for another thing. Something coming to an end. Finished. How do you write end? And remember, in all that you're writing, it has to be one vowel and two consonants. End. Drum roll. Ta-da! And it's E-A-E-N-D. E-D. End. Now, number last, write for me act. Act. Like the actor that you see in a movie, in a story, acting. Act. Drum roll. Voila! Act. A-C-T. 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 Act. Act. Well, if you did that with me, congratulations. You are on the right path. You are doing good. And thank you so much for watching this video. The following one that is coming, isn't that this one we were doing 2 consonant and 1 vowel? So the following video that is coming is gonna be, guess. It's gonna be 2 vowel and 1 consonant. And somebody is like, say, is that possible? Yes, it is possible. Wait for it, it's coming. God bless you. See you on the next video. You wanna see the face of the say? This is him. They say, boom.